This match out there. Help me get 500 million subscribers on YouTube. Please, please, please. I'm begging y'all. I'll subscribe back. Like, subscribe, and follow. Good job, you did kinda good. You need to slow down a little bit, okay? Okay, Messi? I only got 2 legs. You run faster than me. You got 4 legs. Easy, Messi. Run a little slower so I can catch up. What's that? What's it? It's a mole. There you go. It's a mole. There you go. One y'all hunt it. Eat it. It's a mole. That'd be a good boy. That's a critter. Eat, eat, eat. Hunt for critters. Eat it, Max, and still play with it. It'll be okay, Max. Mole's already dead. Guys, I'm not talking about a human. It's just an animal. So, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Threads, Twitter. Please keep my video up. If Matt's eating a dead mole, a mole is a type of animal. It's not a human. It's not us. It's not me. I'm a human. I'm not dead, am I? TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Threads.net. Please keep this video up. If you see Matt playing with a dead mole, and I say the word dead in it, it's an animal that one of the cats killed. It's a critter. It's not a human being. I'm Anthony the Moon Guy, and I know better of showing a dead body of a human, and that there's a mole that Matt is playing with. Well, soon he's going to eat it. He's supposed to eat it instead of playing with it. But he's playing with it. But anyways, please keep this video up. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, TikTok, Threads.net, VK, Telegram. All of your companies, please keep this video up. I'm begging y'all. This is Anthony the Moon Guy, aka I'm Anthony Wayne Hayes III. My full name is Anthony Wayne Hayes III, aka Anthony the Moon Guy. I'm Anthony the Moon Guy. On Twitter, I'm Anthony Moon Guy. Please keep this video up on all your servers. That will help my devices out of being low, because I can re-download it, and then delete it, re-download it, and delete it. It'll be stored on the Twitter servers, Google services, Discord services, Snapchat, the Snapchat services, It'll be stored on that, on the online servers, that will help my devices of not being full. So guys, please keep this video up. Well, please keep this 5-hour video up, because this video will be combined with the 5-hour video that I got saved on my laptop. Keep this 5-hour video up, because it's the last season. It's the last final season of Everyone Loves Mets. It'll be season 2 coming up next. So this 5-hour long video, I'll keep it up. Keep it up. Because if you see a dead mole out there, I mean, that's just a critter. It's not a human being. If I see dead in it, y'all think, oh, take it down. Dead is just a word. Death, that's a word. One of the cats killed a dead mole. Mole's dead. And yet, hopefully I'll put that up. Because Google will have 50% of my money. Google, you get 50% of my money. Y'all get the rest of the companies, big tech companies, y'all get 50% of my money if you keep my video up. TikTok, you get 50% of my money if you keep my video up. Snapchat, that's good. All tech companies, every company that owns a social media or a chat messaging app, you keep this video up, you get 50% of my money. That'd be a deal right there. So YouTube, Google, y'all get 50% of my money. 50%. Google, 50% will go into your AI Google One subscription. 50% going to YouTube Premium. 50% going to Snapchat Plus. 50% go to Disco Nacho subscription. 50% are going to a subscription that I have my Facebook profile verified with a badge. So Mark can have that $13. Mark Zuckerberg. TikTok, you can have 50% of my money. Heck, I can gift some TikTok coins. You get 50%. There you go. Man, boy, I get back there, boy. Boy. That boy, where's Fleetzer? Huh? Boy, where's Fleetzer at? Where's your love at? What you love at? What you love at? Huh? What you love at? Dave, but don't like you gonna fight me, boy. Kiss, boo. Come on. Okay, you wanna end it, Matsy? And we get 500 million subscribers on YouTube. Please, I'm begging y'all. Like, subscribe, and follow.